Good morning, everyone. Today we'll presentation a summary of the topic computer system and 21st century literacy of urban education will explain the component of computer system, the relationship between hardware, software, firmware, and how these concepts support modern IT literacy. Let's begin with the basic idea of computer system. What is computer system? A computer system is a combination of hardware, software, and firmware that work together to process data. Hardware refers to physical device like keyboard and monitor. Software includes system software such as Windows or Linux, as well as application software like Word or browser. Firmware refers to people use, programmer, and administrator who operate the system. Computer requires input process, it embodies output behind every digital device. The cycle is always happening. The next data and information will explain the membrane fabric.
Okay, so next let's talk about data and information. So data is a raw material, numbers, symbol, or text that has no context. In other ways, information is processed data that become meaningful for decision making. For example, a list of scores is data, but calculating the average score is information. This distinction is important because our computer systems are designed to transfer data into useful information. Computer consists of several functional units. Input unit, such as keyboard and scanner, CPU, the brain, which included the control unit and the arithmetic logic unit. Memory, including RAM, registers, change, and long-term storage like HDD or SSD. Output unit, such as monitor and printers. These units work together to ensure high speed, accuracy, and reliability, as well as user profile correct data. Remember the principle GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. The computer product correct the sum. So next about software and compilation that we will explain with from my friend Pais.
Alright, number 5, software and compilations. Now let's move to the software. These are two main categories. It is system software and application software. So the system software is operation system and device driver that manage the hardware, and the application software includes the program used directly by users, such as browser or games. When programmers write code, the computer cannot understand the high-level language like Python or Java directly. But the code must be compiled and translated into binary, which is a 0 and 1, which the machine can execute. Alright, number 6 is 21st century literacy and firmware. So in the 21st century, IT literacy goes beyond using computer. It involves the 4C, which is critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication. These skills are needed in areas such as software development, cybersecurity, cloud administration, and IT management. As a future firmware, we give meaning to hardware and software. Technology is only as useful as the humans who design and use it.
With all the content of presentation, thank you for your attention. We will now turn to the short Q&A section.
What is the difference between data and information?
The answer of this question is data is raw. A process text, number, symbol, or text. Information is that data has been processed, organized, or interpreted so it becomes meaningful and useful. The example is the 70, 85, and 90. Information, the average score is 81.
Can you give an example of system software and application software?
Okay, so the answer for the next question is Software, system software, Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android OS, device drivers. Application software, Microsoft Word, Google Chrome, WhatsApp, games, photo editor. System software manage the hardware. Application software help users perform specific tasks.
Why is the CPU often called the brain of the computer?
Alright, so the answer is because the CPU is a core, it controls all the operations. And it processes the data, perform calculations and coordination, coordinates how all the hardware components. It's similar to how the human brains work.
That's all presentation from us. Thank you.